Alright, hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the new shop. As you can see, we got a little puppy here on the bench today. Whoa! And I know my bench isn't level. What do you want for building it out of scrap wood? All of this wood, this countertop, this wood, everything was here when I got here. So all I did was assemble it. So anyways, this little guy, this old Stihl, the model number is 311Y. Believe it or not, I stealed it. Ha ha ha, not really. Last trip, Labor Day weekend, I was driving south. And I was almost to the cabin where I was going. And all of a sudden, I see this orange and white thing on the side of the road. I'm like, what the heck is that? Oh, that was a chainsaw. Well, I was pulling the big snowmobile trailer, so it's not like I could have just turned around. So, tried to forget about it. Just wouldn't leave. Just would not leave me alone. I was like, I swear to God, that was a free chainsaw on the side of the road. So, we ordered pizza. And then I'm like, you know what, we're just going to go walk in and order it, and then we're going to run up there and go look at that saw. So, sure enough, 45 minutes later, where this was, I'm like, oh my God, that is a Stihl chainsaw. Is it free? Is it for sale? Well, what the heck is going on? Well, I didn't want to just take it and run, because it was on top of a chair right at the road. You know, almost like somebody was sitting there cutting and they just took a break. So I went up to the door, and an elderly gentleman answered, and I said, you know, I'm sorry to bother you. I see this chainsaw by the side of the road. He said, oh yeah. I said, well, what's the story with it? Is it free? He's like, yep. I think there's vapor lock or something. I can't get it to run. I'm like, well, I tinker with small engines and stuff, and I can use a chainsaw. You know, is it okay if I take it? He's like, it's all yours. Get it out of here. I'm like, okay. He said, got a full tank of gas too. I'm like, not a bad deal. So I got it back to the cabin. And I said, well, let me try to start this thing. Let's see if it runs. So here's the video of me firing it up. Found this critter by the road, by Sheboygan there. Let's see if it runs. Of course, maybe it does. May or may not have just used it. Kind of a pollution special, but it works. Not bad for free. So, as you can see, it runs. We used it out on the 40 to cut about 6 great big popple trees. It's a great little saw. So, but you notice though, it's really smoky. I've since put fresh fuel in and everything and try to run it out. But it's filthy dirty, as you can see. You can see how dirty the exhaust is, how loose the chain is too. So I figured, you know what, let's get the carburetor off, give her a quick clean, quick tidy, check her over, make sure everything's okay, clean her up a little bit, and then see if the smoke clears up. Personally, I think what had happened is the other thing is, okay, it'll fire up when it's cold. It fires right up, like no problem. But after it's warm for a while, it won't start again. It doesn't want to start. So I'm thinking something's up somewheres. Maybe that's just the way it is. It floods real easy is what I'm saying. If you don't have the choke just right when you try to start it after it's warm, it will not go. Like say you cut it and you take a 10-minute break. You go to start it again. Unless you have the choke, you know, all the way down the first time, you're going to get one pop out of it and that's going to be it. So, we're going to try to figure that out. My dad's saw, I think, does the same thing, but this one is maybe a year or two newer than the one my dad has. It's a little bit smaller. But honestly, I'm not going to do a lot of logging. Maybe a little bit. So this is the first one. Originally I was going to get my dad's old Home Light, as I've been corrected. Home Light, whatever. I'm sure I'm saying Stihl wrong. I don't give a crap. But, so yeah, let's take this puppy apart and see what we're dealing with here. Okay, here we go. Heck, it might even be the spark plug for all I know. That filter's okay. Oh, that's the kill switch. Okay. Probably metric. Oh, maybe not. Just give her a quick tidy. Should be good to go. I was talking with somebody the other day. I don't have a lot of luck. In fact, I usually have bad luck, but the times that I do have good luck, I blow it on this. You know, finding something really good. I need a better chair. This one is terrible. There we go. Clean. Could just be the carburetor needing cleaning. I mean, the carburetor needing adjusting. Oh, in a few minutes here. Okay. Here she is. I really don't want to ruin this diaphragm and gasket. I really don't. Oh, geez. Some nasty old fuel in that. Okay. Not terrible, but not spectacular either. So that's the part. It's not terrible. I've seen worse. Alright, let's see if she's going to run. Might just been some residual car cleaner. Okay, we're back working on this little Stihl saw here. 021 is the actual model number. I did get a new fuel line here. It's at the local fix-it shop. Oh, I haven't gotten a stool yet. Make sure that we don't have. We do have some fuel in there. Let's find a container. Drain out our fuel. Okay, found a cup. Get the old gas out. Well, this isn't old gas. Oh, jeez. In fact, there may have been a tiny bit of water in there. Who knows? Point is, I'm in a huge mess. Okay, so what we gotta do, other than get all of this back off, is we're gonna have to pull the filter out, which I could probably do, use my pliers. It's right there. Pull the filter off, and then it goes in like that. That's the way it's supposed to go in. Sorry, like that. So then we'll have to poke it through and then jam it in, and away we go. Let's get you guys set up in a little better position, and away we go. Okay. Let me get my where's my pliers? these will have to work. Wish I had a stool. I'll keep looking around. One will appear at some point. Carburetor. So that's where the thing has to go. It's going to be kind of a nightmare, but I think we can get her out. Let's get this fuel filter out. Whoops. Okay. Oh, looks alright. Whatever you do, that's a check valve. Don't breathe in. Alright. Let's see if we can't push this little guy out. Up. And out. Itself, it doesn't look too bad. Just right there at the bends, there's some cracks. So, must have just been enough to suck some air. Well, here we go. Anyways, let's check our placement. Looks pretty darn close. Slightly different, but should work. Oh. Oh, this one's slightly bigger. It'll be fine. Okay, now the hard part's going to be getting her back in there. That's the way it's got to go in. So, I hope y'all can still see this. Alright, that's pointed the right way now. So what we're going to do, make our little stabby. I gotta stand up and look. Okay. Whoopsies. Okay, I finally got on. It took me a good 10 minutes of fidgeting, but we did get her in there. She's nice and secure. So, next step is to start getting this thing back together. See, it does go like that. This is genuine Stihl fuel line, by the way. I've not had pleasant experiences with non-OEM parts when it comes to this stuff. Okay, that. Whoops. Okay, we'll have the throttle back in. What's left is this little guy. Okay, 1 and 2. Number 3. Do. Okay, that all seems to be working nicely. This little critter back in. Like so. I always struggle with this thing. Ho ho ho, look at that. Okay. Okay guys. Okay, all we got left to do is put the gas back in and give her a test run. Whoops. There's a dead bug in there. Oh, just went in the tank. There's also a lot of water in there. We're not letting the water go in. And I do mean a lot of water. Holy Toledo. Oop. Ah, dang, I got just a tad bit in there. Whew. Look at that. That's ridiculous how much water is actually in that. So this is junk. I think I got some more mixed. But we have enough in there to run. So let's get the cap on and let's give her a send. Well, it needs a little fine tuning, but boy, it sure as heck runs pretty good, hey? Little carb adjustment and she'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing. We're close to 1,000, guys. Let's try to get to 1,000. Be awesome if we can make that last little push. Alright, thanks again. Thanks for watching.